up, besties? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Denise, and if you are returning, you know the vibes. If you watched my last vlog, then you know that I recently was in Houston, Texas on vacation, and I had such a good time. It was definitely like the turn up trip. I made it back home yesterday like around 12:30. I've been asleep ever since, really and truly. I've been asleep on and off for literally like the last 3 days. I can't hang like that no more. I tried, I did it. I pushed myself to the last day of all the turn up, but once my body is tired, I just can't force it no more. I have to sit my ass down somewhere. So that's what I did yesterday and all day today. Set my ass down somewhere, relax, try to regroup myself after I leave the gym today, and I start taking off some of my nails. I want a fresh set. I'm taking them off. I got 3 more that I gotta take off. But after I leave the gym, I want to go to get me some stuff to make guacamole. I'm craving guac and chips like real bad. That's literally all that I've been wanting all day. I just want that limey, spicy, salty taste. I just want it. I would say that it feels good to be home. I'm happy to be back at my house with my family, but this weather, when I stepped out of the airport yesterday, it was maybe like 30 degrees, like freezing cold. It's still very much winter. It's May 3rd, like winter. When are you going to leave? In spring, when are you going to fight back? But you know what makes me mad though, is the fact that it's May 3rd and it's still chilly like this. Lets me know that our summer is probably getting ready to be weak as hell. It's gonna be spring. We're gonna have a spring summer, and then it'll be a couple of hot days towards the end of summer, which they call Indian summer, and then we're gonna go right back to being cold, fall and winter. I'm so sick and tired of all 4 seasons. Like, I really just want to be somewhere where it's always nice, and I know that comes with its cons as well, but I'm tired of the cold, period. I don't want to deal with it. Yeah, that's my spiel. I'm on my way to the gym right now. I'm making me some guacamole tonight. I cannot wait. Like, I'm gonna put my foot in this guac. I haven't made homemade guac in so long, but I'm definitely making some tonight. So I will see you guys after the gym. So I'm home. Had to go and pick my babies up. Y'all, my camera was acting extremely weird. Like, I kept getting this lens error and the lens didn't want to pop out. It's still, I'm probably gonna have to take it to Best Buy in the morning. But I got me some sea salt and lime chips. So said, welcome back to the channel. Cilantro, some purple onions, jalapeno peppers, and I only needed 1, but I guess you can't buy 1 pepper there. Look. Say I was getting the hot oil treatment. Hot oil treatment, and we gonna rinse this out, and we gonna braid it and put some beads and make it all pretty. Bye. So, bye-bye. Tomatoes. And I want to try this. It's a sauce for beef or chicken, so I'm gonna try that out. See what that's hitting for. Limes, some fresh limes, and some avocados. You can tell whenever they're ready because you can kind of press it a little bit. This one is perfect because it's still kind of firm. I got these. These is whole wheat flour tortilla, whole wheat wraps. So, and it only got 5 net carbs, salsa, adobe, and I got me some kombucha. So I'm getting ready to, I kind of want to taste this right now. I definitely need it. Uh-oh. Oh, that's real good. I love this one. Yep, I like this. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. And then I'm gonna make their chicken fajitas and my guac. Get ready to make their dinner. And I'll probably just show you guys my guac whenever I'm finished, because like I said, my camera is acting extremely weird. Like, I don't know what's going on with that. I'm gonna have to take it to Best Buy tomorrow to see what is going on. Like, I press the power button, and usually when you press the power button, the lens pops out, but it's making like a and then the message will pop up with the time counting down. I don't know what all of that is about, so I'm gonna give my camera a rest for today. I'll probably show you guys a video of my food, my guac, once it's done, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Hold up, keep it up there. Come on.
What do you think, Willow? You want to hop?
Oh.
You jumping?
1,
No.
2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now say ta-da.
Good job.
Ta-da.
Yeah,
Mommy, go. Today is Friday. My girl just left her first gymnastics class. You did so good. Mommy is so proud of you. Show your sticker. They gave you, what they give you? Did you get a ducky for doing so good? So, her gymnastics class is on Fridays. Every Friday until June 19th, I believe, or the 29th, something like that. I have to look at the schedule. But she really did so good today, y'all. And I'm vlogging off of my phone because I told y'all my camera is acting kind of crazy, and I have not had the opportunity to take it to go get looked at yet. So I'm using my phone right now. But she did so good. It's Friday. I'm so happy that it's Friday. The weekend is upon us. I'm about to pick my sister up, and we're going to DJ's baseball game. He has a baseball game. So the kids is all into the sports, and it's Cinco de Mayo. So I picked a name. You can call me Angela Garcia. That's my name today. And I think we're gonna go for tacos and tequila. Tacos and tequila after the baseball game is over. So I'm looking forward to that. And yeah, today should be, oh my God, somebody's car caught on fire. When the hell did that happen? Anywho, so that's what we're doing right now. I'm probably gonna stop at the gas station and get her something to drink. Y'all, when I tell y'all, she really did good. Like, you know the bar where you gotta like push yourself up? So it was like 5 different stations that she had to go to. The first one was walking on the balance beam, and they have 3 different or 4 different levels of that. It starts all the way down on the ground, a little bit off the ground, a little higher, and then all the way up, obviously. And I had her start on the first one, but she did really good. Like, she just naturally knew to put, I guess, I don't know. I don't want to sound cocky and be like she's just a natural born gymnast, but she just knew to like put her one foot in front of the other. She did really good. Jumped down, and then I wasn't able to get a lot of footage in there because it is a toddler class, so the parents have to assist. Like, you have to be with your child as they go through all the different stations. But that was the first station. Then I did get a clip of her doing like her headstand. That was her first time doing it. The first time she did it, it was a little wobbly, but you go around the stations multiple times. So by the time we made it around the last time, she already understood the concept. Like, she was putting her hands down and trying to get up there on her own. I think her favorite part is probably going to be tumbling, because when it was time for her to move from doing the like forward roll, she didn't want to move. She didn't want to move. She was mad that it was the other kid's turn to get on there. So I think that's going to be her favorite. I'm so proud of my girl. Definitely proud of my girl. I'm going to take her to go get her something to drink because I'm pretty sure she's thirsty. I'm thirsty. and we're gonna head. I'm thirsty. See, that's the most she said. Okay, we're gonna go to the gas station and get you something to drink, and then we will be heading to DJ's softball game. So we'll see you guys in a momento. Go D! Run! Safe. Good job. What's up, y'all? It's Saturday. Yesterday I think I was telling y'all that we was going to get tacos because it was Cinco de Mayo. When we went to go get the tacos, it was absolutely packed, so we ended up just going to Applebee's, and my phone died. And then after we was finished eating everybody came to our house, so we ended up having like a unexpected house party that lasted until 2 o'clock in the morning. So this morning I got up, y'all seen we went to DJ's flag football game, which was really good, and I've been ripping and running. We're taking them to the Pirates game at 6 o'clock, but DJ has a baseball game at 2. Like, that boy's so busy, literally so busy, but he gonna keep me busy, that's for sure. But today he did good. I think he had 1 touchdown today. It was a good game. And then I went to the mall. I got these eyebrows done because they need it done real bad. Now I just gotta figure out what the heck I'm gonna do to my hair. I'm gonna have to fix 7 little ponytails, and then we'll probably be leaving like around 5, probably like around 5 o'clock to get good parking, because the Pirates game start at 6 o'clock. So yeah, but I'm excited. I'm looking forward to it. This is our first time all going to a Pirates game together. It usually be me and Daron, or Daron and DJ, but this is her first Pirates game, so hopefully she don't act a fool. I got a Pirates bucket hat that I'm gonna probably put on her head because the sun is out. It's a beautiful day today. It's 74 degrees. The sun is shining. It ain't too many clouds in the sky to cover up. Like, it's not cloudy. It's just crystal blue skies, and I'm definitely here for it. So yes, I'm excited. I will probably tap back in with y'all whenever we get to DJ's baseball game, and right after the baseball game we gonna go home and get dressed and get ready to go see the Pirates. Hopefully they win today, guys. Later on.
You like the swings?
Come on, Dave. You sleepy, DJ? For the game?
Flag football, I made 1 touchdown pick. Bye.
Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Can I say this literally has been a journey? It's been a journey. We had to find somewhere to park across the bridge, walk across the bridge.
What kind of shape?
The game started like an hour ago. That's a triangle.
Rectangle.
Or it looked like a diamond.
Run.
And then now, the gate that we were supposed to go in is closed. So we gotta go to a different gate. Crazy. I just want some food. You have fun? Yeah. What kind of jersey you want? I don't see kids. I think these is big people. Ooh, I'm so sorry. We might have to order you one, but These is hard. I like these. Go show it to daddy.